Bombing.
Come on. Flash wave tornado. Defensive. Don't forget your defensive. Keep healing. Everyone, keep healing. Defensive. Nice. You push them.
Tornado on the Richstone. Tornado on the Richstone.
Tornado one more. Come in, guys. Come in. Don't go out. Come inside the Boonstone. Come inside the Ripstone. Tanks push them on the ledge. Come on. Heal. Keep healing. Drop your heals. Come on. Inside the fast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On A3. Check sun. Tornado on sun. Now flash wave. Don't throw them. Kill these guys with that Tarlo. Nice. Kill these guys inside the fast. Come on, guys.
Summon capture.
Nice.
Someone.
I capture.
Yeah,
Nice one.
Spread. Kill
They're
inside,
coming
kill
back from
inside.
C3.
Yeah.
Coming back.
I have Resistone. Kill these guys inside the fast. I have Resistone. Kill these guys inside the fast. We have Resistone. Okay. Now you spread. Heal your party.
Heal.
Heal your party, guys.
Spread and heal.
Come on. Heal your party.
Spread and heal
Nice,
and don't
good
stand
job,
up.
good
Keep
job.
moving.
If you're low, guys, go inside the Ripstone. Don't go out. Don't pick. You're gonna
One
die
party
there.
on the E2. One party on the E2.
Yeah. Sinsus ready for the guild summon game.
Okay.
12 minutes. Guys. Go behind here on the edge here, guys. I need you to go behind there. Tanks, I need you to front 1 and 4. The meets, if you die, use the guild summon gate.
I'm dropping now, ah.
Wait. No.
Yeah.
We have resurrection.
That's for the meets. We have resurrection. Yeah.
We have resurrection.
Melee. Just hold C4 and 1.
My party, Amete, can you please focus on the back side? Try
Yeah,
to
I need.
focus.
Yeah. I need one.
They coming.
Okay. I need one tank on A3. Okay. Now
They
come
coming
back. Now defensive now. We're gonna hit 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sleeper scene on 1. Now flash
Big
with
sleep,
tornado. Big
Very big
sleep.
sleep.
Flash with
Very
tornado.
big
Flash
sleep.
with tornado. Now you go inside them. Brawl them. Go down. Brawl them. Brawl them. Go back. Wait. Go back, guys. Go back. Heal your party. Keep healing. Kill these guys inside the fast. Come on. Kill these guys inside the fast. I need sleep here on 1. I need sleep on 1.
On cooldown.
Ready. Guild summon now. Sinsus. Below. Use the guild summon, guys. Summon gate.
Summon up.
Nice. TP summon.
Use gate.
Use gate. Come up. You left. We fight. Keep healing. Heal your party. Nice. Good job. You stabilize in heal. Go back. Don't push, guys. Don't push. Please. Don't push. I'm telling you, don't push. We're gonna lose if you push. Kill these tanks inside of us. Please, guys, don't pick. I need you to focus. My party. Sorry, I can't kill you yet.
They're regrouping.
Hold on. Yeah.
Don't clump.
Okay. I need tanks only on 1. I need tanks. I maybe 2. Seki and Oiras go on 1. Lily go C4. Lone and C4 goes. Aki come to the Ripstone. Okay, guys. Wait.
They pushing?
Wait. We chill. You hold. 9 minutes left.
I'll try to sweep from behind again.
Okay, sir. Okay, Uncle B. Come back. Wait. I need you to wait. Kill these guys inside the fast. Check B3 now. Check B3. Defensive. Check B3. Tornado B3. Now flash wave B3. Now go back. Behind the ripstone. Nice. Now spread and roll, guys. Spread and roll. Spread and roll, guys. We have summon gate. We still have summon gate. No, not anymore.
They
Okay.
destroyed it.
Spread, guys. Spread. Nice. We're killing them. Heal your party. I need you to CC them. CC them. Come back. Rosel, Oiras, come back. Deeper, Oiras. Come back. Wait, guys. Wait. Nice. On me. On star. On sun. Hit this. Flash wave. If you have flash wave, still have flash wave. Nice. Kill this guys. We hold. We spread. If you die, come back. If you die, come back. Come, guys. Come. It's okay. CC them. Don't wake them up. Wait for your teammates to come back. I'm dead. Someone take over. Are you dying?
There's a go back. Everybody go back.
It's better to regroup.
Yeah, regroup.
Better to regroup.
Did they use summon gate? I think they used summon gate.
I think they did because
They did. There were
They
too
were
many.
coming back really fast.
Let's go back to C2 or C1.
We need to regroup fast before 100%.
Let's go. Let's regroup.
Come C1. Same. Sekes and Ajaps go with Yamete party. Memphis
okay.
party on A2. We need to go fast.
Guys, you don't need to dive. Wait
Come
for
back
everyone.
to me. C2. Your party. Memphis, your party. Fast info, please.
We're ready.
Okay. Go, guys. Go. Inch up. Sekes Ajaps, bomb. Sekes Ajaps, bomb. Okay, defend. Wait. Defensive. Now you go inside them.
Bombing.
Go inside them. Go in the ripstone. Now tornado on the ripstone.
Big sleep.
Flash wave. Go inside them. Guys. Don't clamp there. Go inside them. Don't clamp there. Nice. Good job. We're wiping them. Come on. We're wiping them. Kill these guys inside the fast. Use your purification stone. Heal. Keep healing, guys. Keep healing. CC them. Check B3 now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come B3. Kill this guy on B3. It's okay. Kill this guy on the ripstone. They're very low, guys. They're very low. Heal your party. Tanks, I need you to move, guys. I need you to move on the edges. Guys. Don't clump there.
4 minutes.
Guys, I need you to focus.
I think we need to regroup. We're working that.
Regroup again.
Sabi niya, sabi mo ako.
Regroup on C1.
4 minutes.
May master ko.
4 minutes left. C1, everyone. Fall back.
You still have 4 minutes. Go back C1.
Fall back.
Grabe. 1 hour palibot sa akin. 1 hour. Pinukuto niya.
Heal your party, please. Heal your party.
They pushing. They pushing. They pushing.
Come back, come back, come back, come back. If they're pushing, come back, come back, come back. If they're pushing, come back. Come back, come back. Don't die there, don't die there. Come back, C1. Come back, C1. Come back, C1. You heal now. You heal. Regroup. I need you to heal.
3 minutes left.
Sekes, Yamit, Sekes, can you lead the back? Hello, Sekes, can you lead A1, A3? Okay.
They're focusing on us right now.
They're focusing
Okay.
in A1 now.
Start moving.
Yeah, they're going down in A1.
Okay. We go up, guys. We go up.
There are a lot of here, A1.
2 parties
Okay.
in A1.
Come one now. Go one. Tornado on the ripstone. Tornado on the ripstone, guys. Tornado on the ripstone. Now flash wave win. Flash wave. I need sleep. Flash wave them.
Everyone is doing.
I cap. Come. Go inside them. Don't stuck there on one. Go inside. If you die, let's regroup back. Let's go back to C1. Regroup to C1, guys. Okay, guys. Here's what's going on. If I say you go one, you don't go straight to inside one, guys. You use the pillars. There's left and right pillars. Okay. Come regroup to C1 fast.
Last 2 minutes.
Heal your party. Everyone here. Kill this guy, oh, inside of us. Ano na ba dito?
Not conflict area.
Okay. I need Lakri party. Go with Yamete party on A1.
Where's... I can't see Yamete.
They're on A1,
I
they're on
think we need
A1
to
and
go
A2.
now.
They're on A1 and A2.
My party, come with me. Let's go A1.
Come. Wait. Go C3. C3. Pinch up. Tanks, be ready. Pinch up. Wait. You hold your... Now go up, guys. A3 party, go up. A3 party, go up. Defensive now. Defensive, guys. Defensive. We're gonna bomb inside the ripstone in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tornado inside the ripstone. Now flash wave. All of your DPS. Get guardian. Flash wave. Nice. We kill them. I'm coming back. I died.
I died.
Info inside the ripstone.
30 seconds. No one is here.
Dead as well.
They're dead.
dead.
They're dead.
I'm dead as well.
Everyone's dead.
We're dead.
Okay.
15 seconds.
Don't die na. Don't die. Don't give them kills. Stay to C1. It's okay. Let's fight on Tuesday.
GG.
Wait. Say GG to them.